So today I'm about to show you how to fix Gemini Error 1037, step by step and super easy. This error usually happens when Gemini's site gets corrupted, your browser extensions interfere, or your cache causes loading issues. The good news is, you don't need any technical experience to fix this. We'll go through a few quick methods that usually solve this error in just a few minutes. Let's jump in. First, we're going to clear Gemini's site cache. Open Chrome, then click the three dots in the top right hand corner. Click Settings, go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down a bit, you can see third-party cookies. Now, click See All Site Data and Permissions. At the top search bar, type Gemini. Expand the Google results and look for gemini.google.com. Click the trash icon, then click Delete to confirm. Next, go back to Settings, click to Extensions, disable all extensions temporarily. Now, try opening Gemini again and see if it works. If it's still not working, click the three dots again, select Delete Browsing Data. Click More Options, set the time range to all time, then click Delete Data from this device. After that, try logging back into your Gemini account. If the error still shows up, try signing in using a different browser like Microsoft Edge. This usually fixes the error 1037 issue completely. And that's it. That's how you fix Gemini error 1037 something went wrong. Most of the time, clearing site data and disabling extensions solves it right away. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and comment down below what other topic you want me to break down next. I'll see you in the next one.